If there's one key message that I'd like merchants to take away from the discussion we had today, and that is the importance of the payment experience as part of the overall shopping experience they're offering their customer. I think it should be viewed as integral to that experience, not just the kind of functional payment at the end. These days, consumers are judging a brand and judging where they shop based on the overall end-to-end experience, and that includes the payment, most importantly.
I think today is a very good occasion to hear, first of all, from Mastercard, of what will be, the most important trends in terms of regulation, in terms of evolution of the industry, in terms of key factors influencing, the payments evolution in the near future.
Well, we want them to know and understand that Mastercard is their trusted partner, and they're there to help them run and grow their business, to build, increase their basket sizes, to help them drive loyalty and to drive trust in their business. But to do so, I think we need to ensure that the merchants also focus on 3 strategic pillars as they're designing their business of today and also tomorrow. And that is really keeping things simple, personalization, and globalization. And how do we, and within those 3, how do we then bring the right products and solutions to their customers?